This is the second build. Well, actually, it's the first one that we did with Music City Indian. And it is on this beautiful custom Indian Challenger single amp, 4-speaker OEM lids. Let's check it out. It's a little cold, so this might be a shorter video, but again, we are at Music City Indian. Training the technicians here, Eli, and we just work with Carl as well, Joe, Jeff, whole crew here, absolutely amazing. They are building this bike right here for a good customer of theirs. I guess it's close friend of the owner, Cam's. So we had the honor of doing the audio system for that bike. This build is awesome. It's not just simple little bolt-ons. It's a custom bike, and I'm absolutely honored to be part of it. So again, this is one of our tried and true packages with a slight variation. It is a single amp, 4-speaker. Instead of doing the compression horns or the coaxes in the fairing, we did a component setup between Cicada audio and NVS audio. We did our tried and true CXXs in the rears. Arc Audio PSM Pro in the fairing, 800.4 in the fairing as well. Everything there, fit and finish, is clean and OEM as possible. So let's give you a close-up of this bike, let you listen to it, and then that's gonna wrap it up for this video. All right, I don't know all the details on this bike, so I'm not gonna be able to give it to you, but this is a beautiful bike. Fully custom built from them. Everything, they did everything in-house. So starting with the front, you got your Forever Rad LP6 light. You got the FTR carbon there with the adapters for it. You got some billet crash bars there. I like to call those the bro bagger bars. Shout out to Bill. Clockworks windshield. The little winglet delete on the side. We'll come around here. I think those are Arlen S crash or floorboards front and rear. CMP exhaust, which next to the Toast, I'm gonna have to say that's the best fitting and looking exhaust I've ever seen. It sounds amazing too. They also did the Barnstorm kit installed in-house. Looks amazing, dude. I'm telling you right now, if you guys have not ridden a T-bar setup on this bike, you're missing out. Also, Behringer brakes, amazing. It's got the Big Bear 3-inch lift kit. This is the 3 because it's 2-inch cartridges and 1-inch cap here to give it a 3-inch lift. What else we got? Forever Rad hinge covers, those are slick. Slimline Indian Tour Pack. DTF rear fender that has been cut to match the bottom of the bags. And yep, after seeing that, they have my bike on the lift and they're cutting it now too on my bike, so it'll look amazing. I have TNA carbon on mine, but it's gonna have that same look. Let's talk audio. So again, everything's in the fairing, 800.4. Arc Audio PSM Pro DSP here. All Davidson audio, wiring, mounts, everything. Fuse holder down by the battery, routed it up. Here's where I was talking about the difference there. NVS audio high-res tweeters. Those things sound amazing. They look amazing. Absolutely phenomenal combination. With the Cicada audio, CM 6.5X, 6.5-inch mids. In the rear, CXX 6.5 from Cicada. Absolutely love them. And we're able to do it without modifying the lids. So keep the OEM look, return back to stock. You would never know. Let's see how this thing sounds because it is cold out here in Nashville, Tennessee. Oh, real quick, can't forget CMP license plate bracket. So it's going to tuck it up there nice and good. But now, audio demo.
Your body running through my head. never reach for you in another touch. Don't ever think about you then. And girl, tonight I won't call again. And again, ain't nothing but eyes, look into my eyes.
Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the garlic on ice, short days, long nights, marbles at the window, middle finger to the sky. Say you wanna get dangerous, like speaking my language.
Again, this one is a wrap. Cannot thank Music City Indian, the entire crew, Cam. Thank you for the opportunity. Absolutely blessed. And the owner of this bike, thank you for allowing us to do it. I hope you enjoy it. Have an absolutely great day. God bless all of y'all.